Hi everyone, and thank you for watching the broadcast. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Monica Guy. I am a realtor with RE/MAX Real Estate Associates in Houston, Texas, and I'm also a third-generation real estate investor. People hire me to help them buy, sell, or rent their homes. Let's feel that win. Congratulations. Seriously, I am happy for you. But I think it's important that we talk about some things that you have in your possession now and what to do from this moment forward now that you are a homeowner. What you're going to do with all that stuff that you got at closing. What you're going to do with all that stuff you got at closing. Where do you put all those documents that you got at closing? Where's your survey? I've got you covered. I decided that there needs to be a guide. I mean, when you purchase a new refrigerator or a new microwave, there is a manual. When you purchase a new car, there is a log or a manual that comes with the car. When you move into a home, you find out your trash pickup schedule or your recycling schedule, that kind of stuff. You may or may not know what the schedule is for changing the air filters for your air conditioner. Yeah, you see that? That's your job. You own a home now. People tend to do your day to day. You tend to get your house cleaned. If you clean it yourself, you hire someone to clean it for you. You have a lawn service or you do your own lawn. My example would be I didn't know what to do when my house got robbed until my house got robbed. If you have not owned a home before, then this is something to get you started on the right path so that when you decide that you want to pass that home on to the next person, or if you want to sell it, then you'll already have certain things in place to help you with the sale of your home. And I would be happy to help you find your new home. I will be happy to list your old home if it comes down to that. Either way, I am here to help. If you have any questions, then feel free to reach out to me. That is what I am here for. My job does not stop when you move into the home. I am still here for you. So anyway, I hope you enjoy home ownership, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye. So make sure that you order your kit today. You'll be happy that you did. And I will have more updates coming to the kit, so you want to make sure that you are on my email list. So, yeah, get your kit.